How to upload your Suno AI song to YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Suno AI and download the song that you just created on Suno AI, and it will be in the MP3 format. But if you want to upload it on YouTube, you would require it to convert it into MP4, and for that you can use either Canva, or you can go with CapCut or any other video editing platform where you would be able to convert it into MP4 quite easily. Like for Canva, simply open up Canva and click on create design and then search for YouTube video. After that, select this option of YouTube video, which is landscape, and open it up. This is how it will open up. Now over here you can simply drag and drop the audio that you just created, and this is how it will appear. Now on the screen over here you can add the elements, like shape can be added over here as well, and you can also adjust the timing of whatever you are adding on the screen over here. You can also add the captions of your song by just simply searching for the captions and then selecting any of the particular app from here, and then whatever your song is about, it will be shown in the text format over here quite easily. And after that, click on share over here, then click on download, and make sure that you have selected MP4 over here, then click on download. And this way you would be able to download this song in MP4 format, and after that you can upload it on YouTube. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.